Good morning, people. As you guys asked for it, you guys been asking me to do a review for the Peloton, and I'm really excited to do it actually. So today, you guys are gonna get that. Honestly, it's literally my favorite cardio machine. It just gets me really excited to get up and going and just get a workout done, or at least a cardio in that case. You guys gonna love it. This is what you guys all been waiting for, the review for the Peloton. One of my favorite things about the Peloton is how it combines technology into working out without actually having technology take over your workout portion. In fact, it simplifies it together and it makes it really encouraging to go and get a workout done. And one of the other features is that you can have it pretty much anywhere. It's relatively small, so even if you have a small space for it, you can honestly just fit it in a room next to your bed or anywhere in general. In fact, they started in New York, and as we all know, most homes in New York are relatively small, but you can still make space for it. Another great point about the Peloton is how it's designed. It looks really simple and sleek, just black and red, kind of matte finish. It feels good. Build quality is really good, honestly. And you just got that one display in the middle that kind of shows you everything. Everything is touch based, and it's actually operated by Android. So that's a good thing. Gets updates regularly. If there's any bugs and stuff like that, you should see it getting fixed soon. That's saying if you encounter anything. And it also makes it relative. So as time passed by, that way it doesn't look dated anymore, which is an amazing feature, honestly. I have one little minor thing about the build quality. When you adjust your seat, you don't get that feedback of where you exactly positioned it. It's kind of a minor, I'm nitpicking honestly here, but just something to keep in mind. And honestly, like truly speaking, most people will set it once and kind of forget it because that's how they're comfortable with using it. So you're not gonna have to deal with that issue that often. But it would be nice if you get that feedback when you push the seat or when you adjust the handles. And also, one of the things that separates the Peloton from the competitors is the data they provide you. They really give you great metrics, how many workouts you've done, how your friends are doing on the list, and you get to get encouraged, honestly, to get up the next morning and get another workout done. And it makes it really fun. It is truly encouraging. And if you happen to miss the class, you can obviously log in later. You can have the same class saved on demand at a later time. And there's honestly a lot of small little things that makes the Peloton great. And like little things that you can high five everyone in the list that are like on the bike right now with you. It's almost like nothing, but then you get a high five back from them and you guys both working out almost about the same time. It's really encouraging. It's just that small. They also have like an achievement system that you can roll in challenges, and if you ride that many times this month, you get that little trophy, and it is honestly encouraging, and I love it. You guys gonna be hearing that encouraging word a lot, but it does really pay off. It does truly pay off. And they also have a great option. Say you're just not about all this technology and complication, and you just want to ride. They also have that option for you. You can just ride without any objections. And you can always find your friends if they have a Peloton, and you can add them, and that way you guys can compete together or even join a class together, which is pretty cool. And as you use the bike, you will get to see different instructor, different styles of training, and you'll literally grow to like your instructor. And I am actually really big about music, and the fact that they let you pick the genre of music and listen to many different music genres is amazing. So you probably find what you like mostly. They also allow you to favorite a song that you like, and it will literally get added to your Apple Music or Spotify. And that's a great feature, honestly. And to sum up everything, I really do like the Peloton, and it did really give me encouraged to just go get a workout done and feel better about myself. It's literally that good. Like, it gets you the excitement to get up and get a workout done. Good job, Peloton. And I'm coming down to the last point. All these features and all these on-demand classes are not free. So it is $39 per month to get a membership for all different workouts, the one on the bike and the different ones. If you just want to stretch, they have they have a huge library. So yes, the price is kind of steep, and also the bike itself is 2,245. I mean, this is as of recording this video, so I would go check their site to see the current prices. But yeah, for that money, it is kind of expensive, but at the same time, can you really put a price on health? You know, if that's the bike for you, please go for it, enjoy it. And it makes it better if you use it with a family or multiple members, since that $39 a month will be used for multiple people, so that's much better.